Hello friends, welcome to this current session on etltestingtutorial.com. Today we are going to discuss about the topic what all ETL tools that we have. As part of my previous video I was discussing about these all topics like what is ETL, how ETL is used and why it is being used, what we perform after working on that ETL process, right? And now I am going to discuss about what all ETL tools that we have. So here I have created the graph chart that on the basis of the requirements how it is, what all ETL tools that we have, like we have data stage, AB initio, BOD, Informatica, and if you look at this complete picture you will see that Informatica is the tool that is maximum used. Right, so this is what I'm going to cover as part of the recorded videos. I'll discuss about how complete, like how Informatica we can install, we can download first, then how can we install it, how can we configure it on our machine, how can we link this ETL tool Informatica with the database. Yeah, we do need the database that we'll use as our source, the location from where we'll accept the complete data. That is the database that I'm going to use is Oracle with the Informatica tool, and we have the SAS, we have SSIS, that is also the second like the highest being used tool. So Informatica is the one that I'm going to use. I'm going to cover as part of the recorded videos. Also I'll show you this thing. If you look at our website etltestingtutorial.com, and if you scroll down from module number 9th onwards, this is completely on the installation of the Informatica. As I said, the database that we need is Oracle, right? So this is the complete thing that I'm going to cover as part of my module 9 onwards. You can look at the very details, like I have discussed about what all the front end that we can use with the Oracle, like SQL Server, SQL Plus, SQL Developer. See, I'll look at the different commands that we have within, what is the difference between SQL Plus and SQL Developer, right? And after that I'll show you how can we download this. If you see this, download Power Center Informatica, right? So all of these topics are also covered as part of my module 9 onwards that I'm going to discuss, right? And also one more thing, so these all are the tools, and some people also come to me that say that like within training why can't we use SSIS, why we are not using talent. See, Informatica, as I just explained, this is the maximum uh, the tool that is being used. This is the most popular tool that is available, right? And don't worry about this, I'll show you what all the parts of Informatica that we have, how can we work inside the different things that we need, right? And I'll also show you how can we install this Informatica as part of my free videos also. If you look at this in the 5th video of my recorded session, I'll discuss about Oracle, the Informatica and the Tableau. I'll give you the brief introduction on each and everything, okay? And yeah, and one more thing, within my this recorded videos also I have covered in very details the installation of Oracle also. See, Oracle, why we are using Oracle, what all tools that we have, and why we are working on Informatica, right? So these all things I will also cover, and in the next session we'll discuss about what is ETL testing, and then we'll discuss about what is the tester's role in performing the ETL testing, right? So that's it for today, right? So the next session we'll meet for what is ETL testing and what all things that we perform as part of our ETL tester.